Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we're discussing with you Xiaomi TV S Pro Mini LED Smart Television. So you might be wondering, what is the Xiaomi TV S Pro Mini LED Smart Television and who is actually great for? Now, the Xiaomi TV S Pro Mini LED Smart Television is a 4K Google TV that combines mini LED backlighting with quantum dot technology to deliver higher brightness, improved contrast, and wider color coverage. It comes in 55, 65, and 75 inches models with this version featuring a 75-inch display. So if you want to know more specific specs of the size that you're looking for, they do have different pages for this. Specifically, we have the 75-inch for this one. So its display has an 84K resolution, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and supports for Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus, HLG, and Filmmaker mode. Now, the 75-inch model also features up to 704 local dimming zones and a peak brightness of up to like 1,700 nits. Now, according to Xiaomi here, in this case, Xiaomi, now helping improve HDR content by making bright highlights stand out while maintaining deeper blacks. Now, the panel covers like 94% of the DCI-P3 color gamut for a wider range of colors. Now, for gaming, the TV includes three HDMI 2.1 ports with support for 4K at 144 Hz. Now, variable refresh rates at VRR, Auto Low Latency Mode or ALLM, and AMD FreeSync Premium. Now, it also supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, Apple AirPlay, Google Cast, and Miracast for wireless streaming and device connectivity. Now, the smart features are powered by Google TV, giving access to streaming apps through Google Play, along with Google Assistant voice control. Inside it uses quad-core Cortex A73 processor paired with a Mali G52 GPU, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of internal storage. Audio comes from a dual 15-watt speaker, and it supports for Dolby Atmos and DTS:X on compatible content. Now, according to its specification here, this TV is intended for people who want a large screen home entertainment setup for watching 4K HDR movies and TV shows, as well as gamers who can take advantage of features like HDMI 2.1, VRR, and the 144 Hz refresh rate with compatible PCs or gaming consoles. Now, Xiaomi promotes features such as high peak brightness, improved HDR performance, and better contrast through QD Mini LED technology. However, while these are manufacturer specifics, the official product page does not provide publicly available independent testing covering the complete performance of the TV across all viewing conditions. So you may want to do a little bit of research on that. So doing your own research by checking reviews, information from sources outside of official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. But that's about it. For this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.